Hey everyone, welcome back to Kifi Tech. Most people use a web browser every day, but very few know that hidden browser settings can quietly drain their phone's battery. Whether you use Google Chrome, Opera, or any other browser, some features run in the background and consume battery without you even noticing. Have you ever browsed the internet for just a few minutes and wondered why your battery dropped so quickly? In this video, I am going to show you several Google Chrome settings that can help improve battery life and reduce unnecessary power consumption on your Android phone. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your phone. Tap the three dots and select Settings. Now tap on your Google account. Here you'll see several sync options, such as History, Tabs, Bookmarks, Reading List, Payments, Settings, and more. When all of these are enabled, Chrome continuously syncs information with your Google account across devices. This can be useful if you regularly switch between multiple devices, but many people don't actually need everything synced all the time. To reduce background activity, I recommend keeping only important items like passwords and addresses enabled. You can consider disabling options such as History, Bookmarks, Reading List, Payments, Settings if you don't rely on them across devices. Next, go back to the main settings page and open Privacy and Security. Tap on Preload Pages. This feature attempts to predict which website you'll visit next and loads pages in the background before you even open them. While this can make browsing feel faster, it also uses extra battery power and mobile data. To save resources, select No Preloading. Now, scroll to Safe Browsing. This is one setting you should keep enabled. Safe browsing helps protect your device from dangerous websites, malicious downloads, and online threats. Malware and harmful apps can significantly impact battery life and overall phone performance. For the best protection, choose Enhanced Protection or at least Standard Protection. Avoid turning protection off completely. Next, return to the main settings page and open Notifications. Ask yourself if you really need browser notifications. Many websites use notifications mainly to send promotional content and advertisements. If you don't need them, turn notifications off completely. This reduces background activity and eliminates unnecessary distractions. If you still want notifications from certain websites, then go to Notifications, tap Notification Style, and then tap Additional Settings in-app. Under Allowed Sites, review which websites can send notifications. If you notice spammy or promotional websites, tap the three dots beside them and block their notifications.
Now let's move on to another useful battery-saving tip. Go back to Settings and open Appearance. Tap Theme. If your phone has an AMOLED display, switching to dark theme can help reduce power consumption during browsing. Since AMOLED screens turn off individual pixels when displaying black colors, dark mode can improve battery efficiency. Select Dark Theme if you want to maximize battery savings. Next, close Chrome and press and hold the Chrome icon. Tap App Info. Scroll down and open Install Unknown Apps. If this permission is enabled, consider turning it off. This helps prevent accidental installation of apps from untrusted sources. Malicious apps often run in the background, consume resources, and can seriously affect battery life and device security. If you ever need to install an app from outside the Play Store, you can temporarily enable this permission again. However, for maximum safety, it's best to install apps only from the Google Play Store. Finally, go back to App Info and open Battery. Here you'll see three battery management options: Unrestricted, Optimized, and Restricted. If you rarely download files in Chrome, you can select Restricted to limit background activity and save more battery. Keep in mind that downloads may pause when Chrome is minimized. If you frequently download files or use Chrome heavily, Optimized is usually the best balance between performance and battery life. Those are some of the most effective Chrome settings that can help extend your Android phone's battery life while keeping your browsing experience smooth and secure. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Android tips and privacy guides. Thanks for watching.